Getting to know Relay UK, the app that helps anyone with hearing and speech difficulties communicate by phone. Search for Relay UK Desktop in the App Store for Mac computers or Relay UK in the Microsoft Store for Windows PCs and install the app. Next, open the app and click on Get Started. Read and agree to our terms and conditions. Select Next and you'll be asked to link a phone number to the app. As you're using a computer that doesn't have a phone number, select another device and enter the phone number that you'll be using to make and receive calls. This can be a UK mobile or landline. Then press Next. Now you need to verify your phone number by making a free call from the phone you're linking to the app. This makes sure the app on your computer recognizes and connects successfully to your phone when you make and receive calls. Simply call 0800 500 888 from your phone and wait for the number linked successfully message to appear in the app on your computer. Now end the call on your phone. You can link other phone numbers to the app later if needed. Now select Next in the app. Select how you want to use the app to communicate. There are 3 options to choose from. Type what you want to say and read the response in the app. Type what you want to say and hear the spoken response. Speak what you want to say and read the typed response. Pick the one that best suits your needs and select Next. You can change this setting under Relay Preferences later if you want to. Select Finish once you're done. Where asked, we recommend letting Relay UK access your contacts. And that's it. You're now ready to become part of the conversation. Visit our website for more step-by-step explainer videos.